Hello friends, today we are discuss Good Woman of Szechuan by Bertolt Brecht. This play is written in collaboration with Margaret Stephan and Ruth Berlau was begin in 1938. This drama is German Bertolt Brecht drama, not completed until 1943. Originally, Brecht planned to call the play a product love of meaning, love as a commodity. The title was a play on words, the German term for true love, in pronounced the same. It was first performed in 1943 at the Zurich Space in Switzerland with the musical score and song by the Swiss composer and Heinrich George Fruck. The story follows the Sainte who offer her home to three visiting gods. The story of the drama is the central story or summary of this. The characters of this drama Sente. The play is about the young prostitute named Sente in the Chinese city of Szechuan. When a trio of gods appears in the city, they are on a journey to find a good person to demonstrate that humanity is worth saving. Wong is the another character. Wong selling water, the no good place for living. There is Wong, no good place. Always there he is a dreaming and conversation with gods. Okay, gods coming in the city. One day, the in the dreaming, gods coming in the city of Sejong. He stand at the gate of a city from where God is going to take entry. And first God, second God, and third God. Sente accept for giving space to all gods. They gave the money to Sente, Mr. Shen's tobacco shop, and carpenter come in shop and asking for pending amount. Shante opened the tobacco shop and the prostitute, the place is giving to the gods. And one another day, Mr. Musi, landowner, asking money and the free goods. Sente finds a way, and because a boy, Shui Tai, a strong character. It means Shante is also the character Shuite. Shuita is the young son, a pilot going to do suicide, and Shuita got $200 from the old man and woman. But he gave this to Mrs. Young and young son. They both got engaged with each other. Another day, Shuita is crying and someone hears her voice while crying. So all the people thinks that Shente has killed by Shuita. Front of court room, there is a three judge. Three gods, she reveals her fact and becomes Shente. Actually, in this play, the Shente is the Shuita. Shente, and then after she is opening tobacco shop, she is becoming the Shuita. Okay, and now they are getting married and become because rest of amount. Their marriage has postponed for a long time and Miss Shu Fu helps to Shuta and Shente has pregnant. Wong now this time asks to God now slowly and gradually as the time is passing her pregnancy becomes her problem. Old man and woman's shop. Old man and woman's shop. And in this way the good gods come to search God person on earth. Wrong helps them to find shelter. Shente gives shelter to gods, and gods give 1,000 silver dollars to Shente. And as it is, she purchases tobacco shop, and she has to create a few character Shuta. Youngshan cancels his wedding with Shenta and Shente disclose the truth of Shuta. Shuta disclosed. At this summary of this drama, characters Wong, water sailor, Senta is a protagonist of this drama. Mr. Sachin, owner of the tobacco shop, and Young Shen, lover of the Shen Te. In this way, in this story, is follows the Shen Te who offers her home to three visiting gods. And after several other citizens of Sejong have refused, they reward her goodness with sufficient funds for her to purchase a shop of her own. After all, she then attempts to continue to generous to members of her community but finds that she is being exploited by them. She turns to her cousins Shuta when takes a firmer stance in order to help the business succeed. The story reveals the divide between the desire to be a good person and challenges such a person faces in a fallen world driven by implacable market forces. In this way, the god coming in the city and then stands at the gate of a city. In this way, this drama is a commodity play, also called as commodity play. It is a central character in this drama. There is Shente. Okay, thank you, friends.